You say what?
Got the camera in action already?
Yeah.
Damn, we got a bunch of cheese.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm starting round 2 here. Time for round 2.
There's a bunch of crap in here.
Say hey, Memphis.
Hi.
Say hey, Ava.
Hi.
Say what's up, Tyler.
Hey.
What you got to say for the camera?
Hey.
What you got to say, Ava?
Hi.
You ready to have fun? You ready to have fun, Tyler?
Yup.
Come on.
Okay. Little rooftop action. Little bunk bed set up. Got our own kitchen. Couches set up. Nice view. Look at that. Yes, sir. Man.
I want to see.
Huh?
You like that out seed? Oh.
What you got to say, Maddie?
He love that fat ass. So y'all are in here? Yeah, look, we're gonna share that over there.
Oh yeah, y'all can make that work.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely make that work.
So have to make it work.
Full size bed, oh yeah.
Or no, Brayden's over there. And Talon's over there too.
I say y'all got y'all a nice view up here.
Dang.
Seeing out.
It's the vibe.
Oh yeah.
Are ya? How about Ava
Did you
sleeping
show them
over
the house over there?
Huh? So what?
Did you show them the house over there yet?
No, I haven't been over there yet.
There's like a little hot tub down there and patio and stuff.
I'm about to go over there right now.
Alright.
Wait on Braden.
What are y'all? Oh, y'all playing pool?
Hey, Queen.
Ava!
Oh, she's gonna do that all night.
Yeah. All right. Next house. See what the next house talking about.
So this is the kitchen.
All right, got you another kitchen set up. Okay. Okay, hold on. Got the 99s on the table. You can't see them. Can't see them. Ooh. Okay. Nice little vibe, wood vibes. So upstairs too.
That's just like extra mattresses and stuff.
Extra mattresses. Okay, got a little outdoor area with a grill.
There's some stuff on there.
Campfire area.
Hot tub.
Hot tub. Oh yeah, we about to get active out here.
Two bedrooms inside of here.
2 bedrooms.
The one on the left is dog room.
This our bedroom over here.
Sorry, the last one.
This one? No, the other one. This your daddy's.
Oh.
Ooh, okay.
Alright, then I guess this one over here is yours.
Talon with the tour guide. Okay. Ooh, got us a little laundry area. Got us a little bathroom. Okay, with the little jacuzzi jets in the tub. Ooh, nice little room set up. With the walk-in closet, put our stuff up. Okay, I'm liking it. Wake up. Open the windows up. See out there, see the woods. Hopefully no bears or anything come attack us. But yeah, we about to have a blast out here for sure.
Yeah.
This our room over here.
I know. You're not gonna touch these.
What?
Don't touch both.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna touch those snaps. Gotcha.
We about to be live.
Yeah. Did you see that the loft goes up there? There's like stairs right here and there.
Yeah, he said there's extra mattresses and stuff up there.
Yeah, like you can go up there,
Dang.
but it ain't gonna be me.
Yeah, I ain't going up there.
I don't know if it is. We get to make s'mores.
Oh, you making some s'mores?
I love s'mores.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting a little thirsty. Oh, they got the fishing poles out. Little trout fishing. What is that? That's somebody. Oh, that's somebody else cabin.
Yeah.
I'm nosy. Ooh. Yep. We out here at the cabins. We done spawned in a different town once again.
Cameron, I'm nervous now. I'm nervous.
Yeah. Let's see what you got.
The shot down here.
Milk.
Oh my gosh! You really missed that, huh?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. The no look and miss.
Oh, it's slopped in.
There.
You lucky ass.
This one or
No,
this
my
one?
blue solid.
It was this solid blue, right?
Wait, that went in?
I guess so. You didn't call it, so it don't matter.
Now you gotta go for the win. You slopped it in. You lucky.
I didn't even know I swapped it in.
Which one you going for?
He's gotta go for the eight ball win.
ball.
Here.
Where you going for it?
You can shave it past that 10.
Maybe.
Better not scratch.
I call scratch. This is the easiest thing it can be right here. You can't mess this up.
Dang.
Yes, sir.
Winner.
What you got to say?
Winner, chicken dinner.
Winner.
Oh, like the beginning of it. Ava, come here. Ava.
She's hiding. She having a time of her life right now.
She telling everybody what to do.
Yes, sir. We out here.
I know. There's a Dollar General right on the street. They got everything.
Bro, Dollar General is everywhere. Like, without a doubt, you can find a Dollar General anywhere. Like, they just be spunning them up.
Hey, Queen.
They just spawn Dollar Generals everywhere. Like, we could be in the middle of nowhere.
I mean, we are. We don't even have service.
Yeah, we in the middle of nowhere, and guess what? There go Dollar General.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Oh yeah, they cooking? Oh yeah. They cooking them tacos up. Taco Friday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're whipping up the tacos. Get the
Whipping
meat
it
on
up.
boil. Get the taco sauce ready.
Yes sir. Going crazy in the kitchen.
Yeah, we are. We're whipping and dipping. Everybody else just picking ass.
Yeah. Of course he's eating over there. At all times he's eating.
Right. Hey, this is the last spot, so.
Mariah, you won. You won. She won. Oh!
Ava was trying to spit me out. She kept coming over here.
Alexis, you won. How do you feel about it?
I'm a professional.
There goes the bear. Bear. Hide and seek. Ready or not, here he come. Hide. Everybody hide. Everybody hide. Uh-oh. Hide. Everybody hide. Yeah. Hide.
We gonna do this shit again.
Everybody hide. Here we go. Everybody hide. Oh yeah, right on.
I'm right here.
Oh, just right there, huh?
What's up, everybody? We're about to go fishing.
Day two.
Oh, we're going fishing.
We're going fishing.
Gone fishing.
That too.
Going fishing. Well,
They said stop chit chatting.
All right, what are we about to do, guys?
No.
Go fishing!
Yeah.
The beers.
What are you gonna catch?
Another 3 hours of sleep.
Oh, wah. Oh, wah.
Wait. I see.
They all over. It's nothing but bears over there.
Look at these vultures.
Oh my.
Look like those are ravens, dude. Oh, those are vultures.
Those are vultures. They ready to kick. They ready to go eat on. Golly. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's so many of them.
Wait, there's a possum.
It's very hilly out here. I know. It feel like we in Arkansas right now.
Let me see.
We here.
Look, Ava's about to go fishing.
Oh yeah. You ready to go fishing? You ready to go fishing? Got your little Barbie pole? Yeah, we ain't fishing right here though. You gotta go out there to the water.
It feels like 50s.
It's cold.
Ava, look.
She's like, I'm just here.
You don't like to be outside.
Nah, it's some for real deal people out here like waist deep in the water.
We're supposed to go that way?
Nah, we ain't look at him. He right there waist deep.
Hey, get
He getting it all set up over here.
Hey. Get hat.
Backpack and all.
Tear him up out here.
Rocks down here.
Oh yeah.
Those are about to get muddy as fuck.
Man, I'm out here in the workout shoes.
Ava. Nothing in the water.
Ava, how many fish you gonna catch?
One.
All right, we're going down the dusty hill of trails. We got a baby. We got a pregnant woman. We got Talon. Waiting on them, so hopefully don't fall here. But we should be good. Let me walk in. There we go. All right, so Memphi's about to reel one in.
Go further.
What does it look like? All right. We got professional fishermen.
It ain't that cold. I'm about to dive in.
Everybody's at their stations. She's in her element. Talon is still trying to make his way down.
For real?
Yeah.
He might as well just stay up there. This is so relaxing.
I know. Memphis got stuck in the tree.
Oh Lord.
Memphis, come down. Y'all come down here so there's.
Yeah, get away from the tree.
Wait, I found a chili.
Shh.
I get it.
Look at
I
that.
get it.
Good job.
I get it.
Dad's on the ledge of death. The ledge of death. Jeez. The kids are just throwing rocks. We're not catching anything, so we're just throwing rocks. We got the sheriff and the professional fisher down there. Ava got her hands all dirty, so this is how we're washing them. Let's grab them.
Wash your hands. Now you done throwing.
All right, go.
Skip it. Skip the rock.
Nice. Okay, Dada, show us how to do it. That was a lot.
You seen that?
Yeah. Maybe I saw you do it earlier.
I gotta find a flat rock.
I
Show them how to do it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You want to touch it, huh?
Yeah. I didn't feel so slimy.
Yeah, he caught it.
slimy.
You see that, Ava? You see the fish?
Oh.
Touch it. It's time to go. Out of all that time, one fish, one trout. Oh, there go my ankle.
One fish. Hey, it was a win.
A win is a win.
We got some quiet time.
A win is a win. Y'all wish me luck on this little hill right here. Well, we got one down already. Up, down again. Oh yeah. Brunch time. So we got bacon on the menu.
We need some pepper.
We got pancakes. And we're gonna make some eggs.
Yup.
Yes, sir.
These are going in the oven now.
All right, guys, they're in the kitchen cooking.
Don't you leave us. Cooking with right.
What are you making over here?
Bro.
What is this?
I'm trying to turn it. There we go. Look.
Kind of burnt.
I know. I guess I'm not fast.
What are you making over here?
Eggs.
Nice.
Hey, bro, where you going?
What are you cooking?
Steaks.
Oh, okay. What am I cooking?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Hey, what are you doing? Say hello to the vlog. Oh, you're looking outside. You're so cute. So this is outside. You're so cute. You're so pretty. The red button.
Oh shit, what we got going on? Let me munch it on. Let me get one. What's going on, Chef Mariah? How you doing?
I was just whipping it up.
You know.
Open it up in there. Alright. Burnt pancake. Good job.
No, it's just full of chocolate.
Oh.
Where's the
See, they look good.
butter?
Yeah, they're good. Better than mine. Right here.
Jermaine, what you got going on in the kitchen right now?
Eggs.
Eggs. Look at all them eggs. That's just all for him too. You gonna eat that whole thing?
That's why I come to get
I don't know. Let's see what all the kids doing. Why got some college football in here? You know. See, we gotta see the action. We gotta see it's raining today. Sucks. Terrible weather. It's a little cold outside.
They ain't got no utensils to use.
Yeah.
That other remote, nice, because they got a Bose sound bar.
Wait. Look at this. That was a big pan of freaking pancakes. To be honest. Or eggs, I'm stupid. Just use that. Or a spatula.
Use a spatula.
Ain't that hard. Is it good, Sissy?
No. Here, how's breakfast? No, you're not eating snacks.
Give me
Here.
that.
Eat your breakfast. Let's eat on.
We'll catch you next time, gang. We'll catch you next time.
The potato.
Say hey, Ava.
After she took a 5-hour nap, she's back alive.
You took a nap too?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Thank you, Memphis. Yes, you did. And Ava took a nap. See, one
Good
thing
morning.
about us is we're always going to take a nap.
What is that?
I said one thing about us is we're always going to take a nap.
Nap is gonna be taken.
What you cooking out here, Dad?
Got some sirloins and some ribeyes.
Looks good.
What you got there, man?
Being boozled.
Oh yeah, we about to go crazy. Shoot, that's funny. I am not playing that game.
Yeah.
You crazy? Fucking nasty, bro.
Everybody locked in.
Yes, sir. Got me some sour patch. Some Wildcat.
Alright, let's do
Let me see.
What'd you trade?
Yes, sir.
Good luck, Brandon. I'm not doing that with you, man. Got that dog in me.
Oh, cutie slipper.
With the Jordan on the back. Yeah, we tore this place up. What? Hey, Bob. You got a bunch of stuff?
All right, we're day like 3. Dad's cooking biscuits and gravy.
Oh, yeah.
Chef, are you helping Papa? You helping Papa cook? Scary. Talon just rose from the dead. So yeah, we're about to make biscuits and gravy. Jermaine's on the couch somewhere sleeping, but we'll catch y'all.
Ooh. Alright, y'all. It's Sunday. We've been out here chilling. Well, today we woke up, had breakfast with biscuits and gravy. Took a nap after that. And now we're here sitting at the campfire, which they're out there. I forgot to come in here, so I have to come back out here and get it. But today ain't been nothing but just vibes, really. Had to give me a little energy drink to wake up, cause that nap went stupid. So that boy Brandon got the fire started. Talon over here in the hot tub. Talon. So what's up?
What's up?
That boy in the hot tub over here.
Yup.
I ain't gonna lie, it does look kind of good.
Get in.
Man, I ain't bring no swim trunks. I wasn't told about it. A hot tub in here. Somebody didn't tell me that it was gonna be a hot tub. Girl, you so... Dang, I couldn't see you for a second. The sunlight had you.
Was that just bright?
Yeah.
It's alright. I'm living my natural life out here.
Yeah. We all out here living. That's the cabin life for sure.
Every yard I'm on.
But when we spray together, we're not.
Oh, there's this chit chatting.
Literally.
He has risen from the dead.
Did you take a nap?
No, I was playing Madden.
Alright, take our pig with the fire in it.
How'd you do it? Which way do you want to do it?
That's the roasted. That's a cooked marshmallow. Marshmallows melt fast. Oh, that's a burn. That's a clutch. It's still on fire. Blow it
Here,
out.
Braden. Here.
Wave it. That's a perfect marshmallow roaster.
Ain't it?
No.
You done?
That's the sticky mess.
Say cheese.
Well, that's the end of our little weekend getaway.
Say hey.
We're back at the crib now. Yes, sir. We ended it off eating at our little favorite little spot. Had to get us a little fried chicken sandwich. Well, I say little, but it takes up the whole to-go box. But that's it. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. it.